Viewers, second round of talks happened between CJP and government today. Stalemate continues. Amid all of this, protest by Cockroach Janata Party supporters and students is going to continue at Jantar Mantar. And amid all of this, there is a big decision that has been taken. As per sources in Delhi police, we have learned that facial recognition system cameras have been installed at multiple locations in the national capital. The idea is to ensure that the government, the Delhi police officials in fact, are able to keep an eye on anti-social elements, habitual offenders, wanted criminals and other miscreants. The police officials fear that they may infiltrate the protest, they may enter into the protest and create untoward, some unwanted situations. So to avoid that, the Delhi police sources have told Times Now that the facial recognition system cameras have been installed in different parts of the national capital. Sources have also told Times Now that certain intelligence inputs have suggested that cross-border terror outfits are also closely monitoring the students' protest and may attempt to exploit the situation to create unrest here in India, especially in the national capital. So this is the big breaking news, viewers, that we are getting for you on Times Now Live Wire. And Priyank is going to be joining us in just a bit to get you more details on this one. But amid the protest that's currently underway at Jantar Mantar, because the logjam is continuing, no solution could be found in today's meeting between CJP representatives and the government. CJP representatives, of course, have given 24 more hours to the government to come back to them on their key demand, which is of the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. So while the government thinks about it, on the other hand, protests at Jantar Mantar are going to continue, and to ensure that nothing untoward really happens in the national capital, this decision is being taken.